What is the function of the ink absorption mat? The ink absorption mat is an important accessory which used to absorb the waste ink of the nozzle and keep UV flatbed printer nozzle automatic moisturizing function. It mainly has the following three functions. 1. Ink absorption. When the UV flatbed printer has a slight blockage, you can use an ink absorption mat while cleaning. Suck out the ink and make it smooth. 2. Dust prevention. Prevent UV flatbed printer blocking when the nozzle is not working on the dust. 3. When not working, keep the nozzle in micro air pressure can keep wet at all times, so the nozzle is not easy to break the line. How to solve the problem when the ink absorption failure occurs? If the ink absorption mat cannot absorb ink, reasons may have the following 6. 1. The sealing rubber ring. In our UV printer. Welcome to leave a message to us.